Welcome to Curiosity Cloud. We will show you how to create and manage a backup policy in Curiosity Cloud. Through a few simple steps, you can configure the automatic backup of your virtual machines and ensure that your data is always secure. First, you will generate a new backup policy. Here, you can choose whether you want virtual machines to be automatically added to the default backup group, or if you prefer to manually select them for backup. Once this option is configured, at the bottom, you can see how much space your first backup will take and how much space is left in your quota. Next, click Next to configure your backup schedule. You can choose whether you want them to be performed weekly, daily, or even hourly. Usually, the daily option is chosen, preferably at night, such as at 12 midnight. However, you can customize it according to your needs, for example, from 12 noon to 2 p.m. If the backup is not performed within this time period, it can be canceled. Additionally, you can enable the health check option to validate that the backup was executed correctly each time. The next step is to configure the backup retentions. What do retentions mean? Basically, how many restore points you want to keep. By default, options like 3 days, 1 week, and 1 month are offered, but you can customize it. For example, you can configure 7 daily backups to have restore points for the week, 4 weekly backups, 4 monthly backups, and, if desired, annual backups. The more restore points you configure, the more space you will occupy in your storage quota. Remember that in Curiosity Cloud, the more space used, the higher the billing. Finally, you just need to give a name to your backup policy, review the summary, and create the policy. Once created, it will automatically execute every day at the configured time. If you prefer to execute it manually, you just need to select the virtual machine and enable the backup option. Confirm that you want to back up the virtual machine, and the task will start manually. To verify if the backup is being executed, go to the bottom right and click on the task box. Here you can see the status of the backup task. The first backup will be a full backup, so it may take a few minutes or hours, depending on the size of the virtual machine. Once completed, you can see the restore points in the backup list. If you need to recover data, select the virtual machine, choose the desired restore point, and click Recover. You can create a new virtual machine or overwrite the existing one, and even perform a file-level recovery. And that's how you configure and manage a backup policy in Curiosity Cloud. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you next time.